Hello. Oh, wet dog. Wet dog. Hi, Luch. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. You're so beautiful. What are you doing over there? Where's your stick? Where's your stick? Go get her, Luch, get her. Go get her. Nice. Oh. Where's a stick, Luch? Good girl, you got a stick. What are you doing over there? Ew! Get away from that! Oh no! What is that? I think that is a dead fish, and she just rolled in it. Oh, Luch, you're gonna fall down, baby. Wait a minute. Don't eat it, Luch. Let me go see what it is first. Hang on. I want to get down there somehow myself. Oh, look at this. Go on. Good girl, Luch. What's over there, Rips? Anything good? Anything good over there? Be careful. Don't go too far. Hi, Luch. She's a pretty girl. There are, I don't know what those are. Oh no, those are ants. There's something else on me. It looks like an ant, but not quite. Hole. I wonder who lives down here. What's the matter? Oh dear. You tell him, Luch. It's okay. Oh. Hello. Hello, it's just a train. Okay, okay.